Engine oil. Engine oil has a major effect on the proper operation and life of any engine. The specified engine oil must be used and replaced at the specified mileage or time intervals. Engine oil provides several essential functions within an engine, including lubricates moving parts, helps cool engine parts, helps seal piston rings, helps to neutralize acids created by the byproducts of combustion, reduces friction in the engine, helps to prevent rust and corrosion. The most important engine oil property is its thickness or viscosity. As oil is cooled, it gets thicker, and as oil is heated, it gets thinner. Therefore, its viscosity changes with temperature. The oil must not be too thick at low temperatures to allow the engine to start. The lowest temperature at which oil will pour is called its pour point. An index of the change in viscosity between the cold and hot extremes is called the viscosity index. All oils with a high viscosity index thin less with heat than do oils with a low viscosity index. Oils must also be miscible, meaning they are capable of mixing with other oils, brands and viscosities without causing any problems such as sludge. Engine oils are sold with a Society of Automotive Engineers (SAE) grade number, which indicates the viscosity range into which the oil fits. Oils tested at 212 degrees Fahrenheit have a number without a letter, and oils tested at 0 degrees Fahrenheit are rated with a number and the letter W. The W stands for winter and indicates the viscosity was tested at 0 degrees Fahrenheit. So the SAE grade number helps determine the oil's viscosity when hot or cold. Multi-grade engine oil. Multi-grade engine oil is the type of oil used in most modern car engines. It's a clever solution that combines the benefits of both thin and thick oils, overcoming limitations of single-grade oils. One limitation of single-grade oil is that thick oil is ideal for hot weather, but it becomes sluggish and hard to pump when cold. Conversely, a thin oil perfect for cold starts might not provide enough protection at high operating temperatures. For example, when we take SAE 5 watts 30 multigrade oil. It meets the SAE 5 watts viscosity specification when cooled to 0 degrees Fahrenheit and meets the SAE 30 viscosity specification when tested at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Oil with a high viscosity has a higher resistance to flow and is thicker than lower viscosity oil. Thinner oil provides better cold engine starting and improved fuel economy, while thicker oil offers improved protection at higher temperatures but reduces fuel economy. It's important to choose the right SAE viscosity rating for your car based on two factors. The first one is your owner's manual recommendation. This specifies the ideal viscosity grade for your specific engine. Second, your driving conditions. If you face frequent cold starts, a lower W number is preferable. For high-performance engines or hot climates, a higher viscosity at operating temperature might be needed. A PI rating. The American Petroleum Institute's service rating system classifies engine oils based on their suitability for different engine types and performance levels. It's designed to help you choose the right oil to protect your car's engine. The American Petroleum Institute, a PI, collaborates with engine manufacturers and oil companies to establish an engine oil performance classification. The API performance or service classification and the SAE grade marking are the main pieces of information to determine which oil is suitable for use in an engine. The rating appears as a two-letter code on oil labels. The first letter signifies the engine type. Gasoline engine ratings are denoted by the letter S, stands for service, and can also indicate spark ignition engines. And diesel engine ratings are denoted by the letter C, which stands for commercial, but can also indicate compression ignition or diesel engines. The second letter denotes increasing performance requirements. Generally, Later letters represent better oil for newer or higher performance engines. API service symbol or donut. The API service symbol, often referred to as the donut due to its circular shape, is a helpful indicator on motor oil labels that goes hand in hand with the API service rating. Advantages of the API service symbol are easy to understand and quick reference. API certification marker Starburst. The API certification mark, also nicknamed the Starburst due to its visual resemblance, signifies that an engine oil meets specific performance standards set by the International Lubricant Standardization Advisory Committee. It's a valuable indicator for consumers seeking high-quality oil for their vehicles. It ensures the oil delivers exceptional performance in terms of fuel economy, engine protection and emission control compatibility.